If you also want to post a story on Facebook, then in this video, I will show you a step-by-step complete method to upload any story on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app and you will see the Create Story option. Click on it. After that, your gallery will open, where you can select any image or video that you want to upload to your Facebook story. Once selected, you will see the Share button. You will also find different audio options that you can add to your Facebook story. Additionally, you can draw anything on the story, apply filters to enhance it, add text if you want to write something, tag someone in your story, insert a link if needed. Finally, click on Share, and your story will be posted on Facebook. That's how you can upload a story on Facebook easily. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.